Hello, I'm in a 2011 Chevy Traverse, and today I'm going to show you how to add coolant. So first you open the hood, and then towards the passenger side here you should see this reservoir. This would be your coolant reservoir. And while the motor's off and the vehicle's cool, this is when you'd work with this system. You don't want to be digging in here while it's hot because this liquid works at a boil, and it's a pressurized system, so you don't want to risk having a bunch of poison stuff shoot all over you. But that's it. On the side here, there's markings for your flow line, and then your low line would be down there. So this one's kind of low. But to add, you just pop this open, and then match the same color as best as you can with the type in there already, and ideally the same brand you've been using. It's best not to mix and match if you can help it. But either with a funnel or straight from your coolant jug, just fill as needed. You do want some air gap, so don't fill it all the way to the top. Just pop this closed when you're done. And then I would check around as best as you can to find any possible leaks or cracks through the reservoir or lines or the radiator. Check around the engine, see if you see any puddling. Way to tell some of this too is while the vehicle's running, you might see some coolant start to puddle around the engine compartment or underneath the vehicle. And a way to tell that apart from water condensation forming is it should have a slight coloration to it. It'd have a slight sweetness smell to it. And you don't really want it on your skin, but say you have a glove on and are feeling it, it'll be slightly more slick feeling than what water would feel like. But I hope this is helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.